Hi, my name is Klaus, Inspector today. Inspecting this 2004 Honda CRV for you. So I give you a courtesy car, explaining you this vehicle is not of satisfactory quality due to excessive damage in the boot area. But obviously, I run some basics through. There's excessive corrosion developing on chassis elements all the way around the engine bay. Obviously, it would be expected for the age, you know. Service recently done. It's got a good Honda service history, right? However, obviously the bodywork, age-related scratches on every single panel, and also that would be expected. There is no structural damages, no previous resprays. There are some holograms and flat areas due to the age. Then we coming to the back of the vehicle. As you can see, the damage on a boot lid and on a bumper. So opening the door, so it would need obviously complete new door, new bumper, new valance, some trims. As you can see, there's significant damage. It's not so structural, but obviously it would be too expensive to repair with the cat end. And as you can see, what's going on here, heavily build up surface corrosion on components and on a rear chassis elements too. I did small road test. It drives and performs around the yard satisfactory, and it needs a front pads. Also, alternator is starting to charge faulty on a full load. I said air conditioning is not working, and that is basically the car. The tires are good. Very poor interior on this vehicle. Slow extraction on this, retraction on this seat belt. As you can see, everything is just poor. That unit door is not closing properly, so it's not working properly, but the radio works, right? So that's the vehicle. As I stop in this inspection, the vehicle is not of satisfactory quality. Thanks for using this.